Okay, on this problem, it's a word problem calling back to a formula that was given to us in the previous section. So in this, the population of India in years after 2008 was given by this function. We want to know if this continues, when will the population reach 2 billion people? All right, this was in billions, so we're given 2 is going to be our future value, basically f of t, is equal to 1.14 times 1.0134 raised to the t power. All right, so we have an exponential equation. We want to solve this down. So the first thing we want to do is isolate the exponential part. Get this on one side by itself. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by 1.14. That's going to get rid of the 1.14 that was divided out in front, or multiplied out in front. Now that's not going to work out super cleanly on the left-hand side, so let's just leave it as a fraction for the time being. So it's still going to be 2 divided by 1.14 is now equal to this 1.0134 raised to the t power. All right, to get t out of the exponent, let's get a logarithm involved. So I'm going to apply a logarithm to both sides. So 2 divided by 1.14 is going to be log of the entire right-hand side. And why I want to do that is when we get a logarithmic function involved, we get the properties of logarithms as well. Everything on the inside of that logarithm on the right-hand side is all raised to a power. So we're allowed to move this exponent down out of the exponent and make it a multiple out in front. This will give us log of 2 divided by 1.14 equals t multiplied by that log of 1.0134. All right, but now that t's out of the exponent, it shouldn't be too difficult to solve for. It's t being multiplied by that log. So to get t all by itself, we'll divide both sides by that log of 1.0134. Do the same thing on both sides. Those logs will go away on the right-hand side, and we'll be left with t all by itself. All right, and then it'll be exactly this for our exact solution. But in the context of this, it'll probably be a little bit easier to actually get an approximation, right? So we push log of 2 divided by 1.14, close some parentheses for my calculator, divided by, I have to push log again, 1.0134, close some parentheses and press enter. So this will be approximately 42.2296. So about 42, a little bit over 42 years after 2008. So with that, I can take 42 plus 2008, noting that this was t was in years after 2008 at the top. So we can say 2008 plus our 42.2296 is going to work out to be in the year 2050, a little bit into the year of 2050. All right, I hope this helps out as you're working on word problems that sometimes involve exponential functions.